It is what it is. My pajamas cute. That's all I got for you.
What a feeling. Now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. So it's Tuesday, December the 7th. And y'all, I'm so tired. I woke up late this morning, rushing. Look, I already had my outfit planned out. So I have on my two-piece black set from Target, and then this dark cardigan from Forever 21, and I have my cognac over-the-knee boots from Ralph Lauren that I got some years ago. And that's my outfit of the day. It's currently 6:40. Thank goodness we didn't miss the first bus. Like, I was booking it. You gotta book it. I just have my hair tied back, you know, my two little twists with my little bow and it's down in the back. My little favorite thing to do. My hair is blow dry versus flat iron, because it be out like this, baby. Then I have on just my earrings from House of Charlotte, my necklace, my Starburst necklace from my shop, and then I have my rings down here. The weather's been changing. It's 39 this morning, and Jayla got the little sniffles, I got the little sniffles, so yeah. And I'm trying to find my mask, you guys. I hope I didn't leave my mask. I think I left my mask, but I don't even remember taking it in the house. I usually don't. I usually throw it in the seat, so hopefully Jalen didn't take it or throw it somewhere, because child, she throw my shit everywhere. Here it is. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? I can't find it. So I'm headed to work. I didn't close out the vlog last night. I fell asleep reading that book. Nothing exciting has happened yet. Like, nobody's dead. They just like giving a lot of backstory about each, like snippets of backstory about each character, and kind of learning their descriptions and the setup of where they are, I guess, before everything goes down. So nothing exciting as of yet, but it's still a pretty much a page turner. I'm just not a night reader because reading makes me sleepy at night. So yeah, unless it's like really captivating, which is more like my James Patterson books, my John Sanford books, the books like that. Like, I just know the writer and I'm just ready to see what happened next. So I've read Ruth Ware before, like I said, but you know, her Woman in Cabin 10 was really good. Then the Turn of the Key was okay, and then this one is going pretty well, but I don't know what I feel about it yet. As you know, I'm behind schedule on my reading. I don't know how I'm gonna get 12 books read this month, but we gonna see what we can do. See how close we can get. I'm not even gonna be mad if we don't make it. Like, it is what it is. But I'm not gonna give up. So yeah, but that's what I'm doing. I'm headed to work, so I will check in with you guys a little bit later. All right, you guys, it's currently 4:50. I am just now, you hear me, just now leaving work. I'm about to meet Alicia for ramen. It's gonna be so good. I wanted some hot soup with some good substance, so I'm here for it. But I'm just now leaving. It's been the most productive day. I am so sorry I did not come back on the vlog after I got to work. I can't remember the last time I even came to y'all. I didn't even have lunch today. This is how busy today was, but I got so much work done. I had so many meetings, like, it was a lot. So, but a lot in a good way, because I tell you guys all the time, like, I don't mind being busy, but I like being busy actually doing something I know how to do, or learning new things. So I learned a lot of new stuff today, and it actually made sense, which is great, because sometimes it don't make sense. So it really made sense today, and I was super excited to learn some new stuff and get taught new things, and just, you know, use the skills that I learned in 2 days. But for real though, today was a great day, and so they're here until Thursday, so I'll be busy all the way until Thursday. So I don't know, like, I'm gonna have to catch up on my vlogs, because the simple fact is, like, my last pre-edited vlog goes out tonight, and I have not edited another vlog. I don't even know if I have enough footage for another video. Like, I'm gonna have to come up with something out of my ass for y'all, because I'm over here like, Keoshia, what did you record yesterday? I did record yesterday, so I do have Vlogmas Day 8 ready to go, but I'm gonna have to get my content up and trying to think of what I can do outside the box, because this week's gonna be super busy, and I'm not gonna get a lot of content like out of my what do you call it, out of my while I'm at work, because it's not like people are around me all day and I'm in meetings all day, so I can't just whip out my camera and be recording, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to figure something out. But sorry, it's cold, y'all. It's 49 degrees at 4:52, and so I'm freezing. So I'm waiting. My heated seats is on. They're nice and warm and toasty, but my heat hasn't like adjusted yet to the weather. So that's what I'm doing. I'm about to go eat ramen with Alicia, of course, and it's gonna be so good because I haven't had ramen in forever. But anyway, I will check in with you guys a little bit later. I promise I'll be back. I promise, as soon as I get home.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Alright, you guys, I am home from having ramen with Alicia and her sister. Had a really good time. And so I'm in my office because I need to edit VLOGMAS Day 8 if it's gonna go out tomorrow in a timely manner. I want to give you guys an update on this 1 by 1 by Ruth Ware. I am currently 129 pages in. Nothing still has happened. I guess we're still getting like backstories and, you know, who people are and what they're trying to get them to do and all that kind of stuff. And so it's still interesting because I'm kind of getting involved and I want to know what's going to happen. So much better than this book, clearly, but I'm still going to finish this book, but we're just going to give it a rest. So I'm still working through this one. And I got on my pajamas, as you can see, my Target pajama, my Target J. I'm in my office, so I'm about to turn on my little TV. When I'm in here, my luxury is to watch Hell's Kitchen while I'm in here. So I'm just going to watch some more Hell's Kitchen and edit, you guys. So I will check in with you guys a little bit later. You guys, so it's a little bit later, and I just want to explain today because I am importing the footage from today, and it's really short. Like right now I only have 7 minutes. So today was just a super busy day at work. As I told you guys, I went to work and I just did a whole bunch of stuff, and there was no opportunity to record. And after work I just read in my car before I met Alicia and her sister for dinner at our favorite ramen spot. And so I just ate ramen and I came home. So this is really just a lackluster video, but I'm still going to put it out. So I hope you guys understand that every day is not going to be packed with things that I'm doing or exciting stuff or opening packages or this, that, and the third. Okay, and all I did today was exactly what the vlog shows. So some days are going to be short and some days are going to be longer. I didn't do anything, y'all. I don't know what else to tell y'all. I don't have anything to talk about. I already talked about the books. I mean, I already told you where I am on 1 by 1. I've been editing, so I haven't even went to my room to start reading yet. But if I go to my room and start reading, I'll probably just read and then go to bed. Like there's nothing. So I do apologize if you guys wanted more out of this vlog, but there isn't anything. So hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit more eventful, and I can get some more footage for you guys. So yeah, but I'm just gonna close the vlog here because like I said, I'm not doing anything else tonight. I'm not the most eventful person. I'm just a regular person, okay? It is what it is. My pajamas cute. That's all I got for you tonight. That's all I got is cute pajamas, okay? But seriously though, so I will see you guys tomorrow in another VLOGMAS video. All right, bye.
All the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.